note-taking can be a challenge for all students, simultaneously trying to listen, understand, assess, distill and write, all whilst remaining engaged with what's being said. Audio recordings are a very common and effective strategy for capturing that vital information. So let's take a look at the DM-770 and the benefits it can bring to your studies. It has 8 gigs of dedicated memory, so that gives you up to 2,020 hours of recording time. You can recharge it using the USB connection, but you can also get 52 hours of recording time from a single AAA battery. It's perfectly portable too, smaller, lighter and longer lasting than a mobile phone. And a dedicated device means you don't have to worry about lack of battery or lack of memory for those crucial learning opportunities. Okay, let's dive a little deeper. The DM-770 has been built with accessibility in mind. So for VI users, you'll find tactile buttons and menu voice guidance. It has 3 powerful microphones and advanced recording functions that adapt to your environment. You can set it to auto, but there's also optimal recording settings for a lecture, a conference, a meeting, or for your dictation. And these help you to get the best recording results. Now, index marks. These are handy little markers on the recording that allow you to jump to key points. And with the DM-770, you get 200 index marks per recording. So that's more than you'll ever need for a lecture or seminar. And these index marks are also compatible with leading note-taking software, such as Audio Notetaker or NHub. It means you can add an index mark each time the lecturer changes slide. When you import your audio and your lecture slides into the note-taking software, it will all neatly sync up. Listening on the go is easy too, with fast play and slow play options. And you can keep nice and organised with 5 folders and 200 files per folder. When you want to recharge your device or transfer your files, simply connect it to your computer using the slide-out USB connection. The Olympus DM-770 is available now through the DSA.